Welcome back to the channel. I'm out in the garage. I'm trying to put in the plastic wheel arches inside on this my wife's Toyota Corolla. So I'm just hoping that everything is dried up as it should, so I can just start putting things in. Now I just put the camera on the side, and this side of the car is very small space, so I just have to be able to do a good job as I can. Here is the interesting thing now is to try to this is dirty. Seriously. Here's the screw. Some places is bolt on like this. This is seriously dirty. See here, simple screw on, the pressure on. I was thinking maybe wash this before I was putting it back, but I didn't do it. Or maybe I get problems because of that. Yeah, one more up here. Good thing here now when I start to get in some of them, start to feel where they are. Here's a screw. Inside here is screws. Two big screws. Have two big screws. One more like this. Where could that be? Here. I found one more place. There it seems like a target. It's just plastic, so there's no point screwing it too hard. And one more screw into plastic here too. Yeah. Even one more bolt up here. There. No, that one is back. There, one side is finished. Actually, I'm very satisfied. I should have cleaned it before I put it in, because now the dirt is going to stick into the other thing here. But no, it's okay. Yesterday I was away getting the winter tires in another room here, so I have them. So I put on one summer tire on one side there. It's just stupid. So just take the winter tires and put on that. I'm going to put on more lights here too. I'm first changing here now. Of course I should have changed the winter tires right away. It's winter. It was just on the other side. Stop. If I'm thinking about this long enough before, of course I should have cleaned up these winter tires and fixed this. No, I haven't done that, so it's kind of stupid. I start using a lot of this oil, rust removing oil from Bildilla. I use it on all kinds of boots. This was metallic wheels. Steel wheels, I mean. There's no point I not put on this. Okay. But the good thing is that now I'm finished putting on one of the winter tires. I'm finished putting in the plastic inner side. When I find more of the locking things, I just put on that, because 2 is missing here. So that is going the right way. No, I just have to go and put on the winter tire on the other side. Since I was thinking I was going to put on the winter tire, and just put on the tires right beside me. It was a summer tire, so that is not the time for this, but okay, no problems. So you see, that thing is finished. It's, for the moment it's very cold, starting to be outside, so the thinking about painting here is not, that is not going to be working now. It's not going to be warm enough here, so I can't do it here. So I have to think of another idea if I just let it go like this in the winter. It's not going to drive this car much anyway. Or if I try to get in a place where it's warm and paint that, that could be a problem for the moment. But, thank you for coming by and see this simple how to put in this inner fender lining. I think it's inner fender lining you call it. Please tell me if it's wrong. I'm trying to learn it. English is not my language. Norwegian is my language. So just trying to do as best as I can. So yeah, thank you for coming by this small video, and look at the other videos about what I've been doing inside before I put on this. And I have a lot of other videos. I'm hoping to finish this car and get it through the control soon now, so we can put in either a Honda Civic or maybe one of the Toyota Celicas. But it's also coming some other interesting things. So you see, this space is very, very small. It's a big problem. But I'm starting to talk with more people about bigger places, that I can do some of my video and fixing all the cars. So I just hope that is working out. Have some guys testing or checking out some places for me now. So thank you, please come back, please subscribe to the channel and put a like if you think the video is okay, and then put on comments. It's very good for me to learn. So thank you.